In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variants in Printful. By the end, you'll know exactly how to offer multiple colors, sizes, and styles under a single product, so your customers can choose what works for them without cluttering your store. Let's start by opening your Printful dashboard and clicking Create Product. This launches the product builder where you set up everything in one place. Think of it as your control center. Design, options, and a final publish button when you're done. Next, choose your item. You can browse categories like shirts, hoodies, or mugs, or use the search bar if you already know what you want. Pick an item that fits your audience and design. For example, a classic unisex t-shirt is a great starter choice. Hoodies are perfect for colder seasons, and mugs are ideal for simple, high-contrast designs. Now upload your design. Drag and drop your file or select it from your computer. Aim for a high-resolution file so it prints cleanly. If you're using a shirt, center and scale the design with the on-screen tools and keep it within the safe print area. Use the preview to make sure it looks balanced and legible. If your design has a transparent background, it will sit nicely on most garment colors. For darker apparel, high-contrast designs tend to stand out best. Once your design looks good, head to the Variants section. This is where you choose your colors, sizes, and styles if the product offers them. Start with colors. Pick the shades you want to offer on this item. Remember that different colors can slightly change how a design appears, so choose options that complement your artwork. Then select your sizes. Offer the full range available for your audience, but be mindful that not every color is available in every size. Select combinations that make sense. If styles are available, like unisex, women's, or long sleeve, choose the ones you plan to sell under this same product. Each color, size, style combination becomes a variant, so your customer will see them as selectable options on one product page. A practical tip: start with a focused set of your best-selling colors and core sizes to keep inventory simple and avoid overwhelming shoppers. When everything is set, publish to store. Click Publish to Store, and Printful will generate mockups and sync the product with your connected platform. This usually takes a moment. After publishing, your product page will display the variants you picked, and customers will be able to choose their preferred color, size, and style right from the same listing. That's it. You've added variants in Printful quickly and cleanly.